Hello viewers, welcome back to Online Classroom where we are learning 25 tools of lean manufacturing through short videos. Subscribe channel for continuous learning update. In our last two tools, policy deployment or Hoshinkanri and smart goals, we learned how important it is for any organization to establish a policy, or rather say a vision or mission statement, and link it down to each individual and working teams via goal. This whole process ensures engagement, motivation, and drive in workforce. However, this process is incomplete without a quantifiable measure that can indicate or conclude progress and achievement of goals toward mission. For same, the tool is Key Performance Indicator, or simply said KPI, which we will learn in this video. So KPI is a quantifiable measure to evaluate the success of organization and employee over time in meeting set objectives of performance. Summarizing it, firstly, mission and vision are decided, which are long-term aspirations of organization. These mission and visions are further broken down into annual or biannual goals of team and individuals. KPIs further are parameters over which performance and success of set goals will be evaluated over time. These key performance indicators are vital to track and improve progress of any team toward their own and organization goals. Hence, every team and department are assigned with certain KPIs as per their goals. For example, accounts team will be given KPIs like percentage of overdue invoices, finance report error rate, average cycle time of bill payment, number of duplicate payments, and more of similar sort. Monitoring performance of such KPIs over time would help management review teams' performance which are linked to one of organizational goal and mission. Other examples can be seen for sales and marketing. KPIs like new customer acquisition, customer attrition, revenue generation, and profitability would be given. Manufacturing team would work on KPIs like OEE, quality, cycle time, capacity utilization, and production performance. In KPI monitoring, it is also advisable to show target as well for clear demarcation of gaps over time. White dotted line here in graph show target. Also, a performance behavior sign can be provided as well to show expected nature of trend, shown by green arrow here. To give you one more example of service operation, KPIs like mean time between failure, mean time to repair, unplanned availability, and availability can be provided. Coming now to summarize the benefits of KPI, being depicted visually, they are easy to update, read, and understand. KPI eases decision-making process. KPI helps teams and individuals stay focused over their performance. KPI also provide with essential data for assessment of goals. With performance visible over time, it helps making adjustment by putting in extra if required to help keep one stay on track. With all KPIs coming together, company's health can be monitored and progress toward goals can be measured effectively. Moving to our final segment of video, we'll now share few guidelines that should be considered during KPI setting. First is to use SMART criteria, just like goals, to maximize absorption in team. Keep number of KPIs small. Remember, less but most impacting. Develop a KPI monitoring dashboard visible to all with real-time performance. Ensure creating a review structure at frequent basis while developing KPI. And during these reviews, use achievement as motivator to keep doing it, and similarly use failures or gaps as trigger to start planning improvement. Lastly, keep KPIs evolving with evolving business scenario. That's all we have for KPI. Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe channel to keep getting similar learning content. Like and share the video. Leave your feedback in comment section. See you again in next video with another lean tool, Gemba. Till then, keep learning, keep growing.